Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Believe Bangla. Viewers, today our topic is how to connect make it RJ45 cables Cat6. So how to dressing or connecting RJ45 Cat6 cables. This is cable this connector of RJ45. This is Cat6 cable, and then this is by cutter, and this is also this cable tester. So friends, already we cut this cable. Now I will remove this insulation and then showing how to connecting and so color code. So please stay with us and showing how to connect it. First we remove this cables, and then this both side remove insulation by this cutter. This is this is how to. Just now we make it here. Remove this one, remove the both insulation and then remove it. So, and then now we see there is color code. There is 8 pair cables inside of Cat6, and then remove this one. Kind of cutting by cutter or anything. So how to cut and showing this. Okay, and then this check remove of a color code. There is 8 cables, 16 cables, 8 pair. So each pair is 2 color. This white orange, and then white green, and then white blue. So we have to remove each one, make it separate, and then white brown. Okay guys, so how to it will connect to by RJ45. Today I will show you. When make it like that, and then make it make it level. See, make it straight here. Each cable should be straight, otherwise you will not connect to connector. Okay, now we are showing this color code. This is color code: white orange, and then white green, then white blue, and then white green, white brown. This is type of A. This is A type of color code. This our country is in the Gulf country and Asia. This type of color is running. Okay friends, so all color we make it level and straight. So we need to cutting this one. Just for showing, just roughly I will show, and then cut it by cutter. Okay friends, make it by 2 finger and cut it by cutter. Okay, of course need to straight and then level of end. So and then fix in this connector. Okay, should be check here. End of cable should coming is here. See, coming is here, and the little bit hit this one. It will be coming all level. Okay friends, so make it down. Now cream. It will make it now cream. Okay. Okay, wait friends. Now already will be this one. Okay. So if we go now another side, we make it same before. So friends, see, now this already one side already finished. Now I make it another side. So we have to make it both of side to crimp. So now again same before, connect this one, cutting parts by cutter. But should be you have to follow this color code, okay? If your color code is not something missing, it will not working. Of course we have to priority for color code and fix it in the connector. Same this side. Now we have to fix this one. Little bit heat. It will all cable coming inside. Make it connect print now. Okay friends, so we have to now check by tester. Okay friends, now already finished our both of side crimping. Now we are going now checking. So this is our tester for the test. So we remove this one and then one side fix here in the tester, okay, and then another side put here inside and plug in. So then we are now going back to check. Okay, this switch make it on. Okay, you are see now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means this blinking, if all number is coming same, it's okay. We make it a little bit slow. Okay, see this two tester here, this blinking is same, see. First check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So our crimping is both side is good. If not good for crimping or missing this color, so should be here one number is missing, showing this in tester. Okay, thank you friends. Stay with us and make it subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.